Hi! Welcome to my channel. I am QueenV and I normally share videos about beauty, fitness, and practical tips, especially if you are in your 50s. And I also do bag reviews. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Today, I'm going to share with you the bag that I bought more than 6 months ago when we went to the US last December 2024 because we spent our Christmas vacation in the US. But I didn't buy it there. I bought this in Korea International Airport, the Incheon Airport. Because during that time, there was this promotion of Korean Airport wherein all of the shops there had this 10% discount. And our layover, I believe, was more than 13 hours. That's why we had a lot of time in going in all the stores. The bag that I bought was the bag that I intentionally want in Celine because what I really like is the Celine Triumph Classic bag. But when I went inside and then checked all their bags, so I found this bag and the sales lady actually offered this to me. So today, I'm going to unbox this bag. And this is called the Celine Louise bucket bag. So let's unbox it together. So let us unbox this. This bag has been stored in my cabinet for more than 6 months and I believe it's about time to unbox this. So it's still sealed. This is my very first Celine bag and my first bucket bag. I actually checked the price of this bag in Greenbelt and it is more than 25% from the acquisition price in Korea because at that time there was this promotion. In fact, the discount was just 10%, but in Celine, if you buy like more than, I forgot the amount, you get additional 5%. So on top of this, I bought another one, which I will show later. So this is the bucket bag. This is made of calf leather. So there's a Celine logo here, the Triumph logo. And then you can see that there is also a Celine here. It's written Celine. And then this is the bucket bag and it comes with shoulder strap here. So let me just remove the paper so that you'll see the so this is the bucket bag. There are 3 sizes. There's this mini, this is the small, and they have the medium. The mini size, it's very tiny. I believe your wallet, especially the big wallet, won't fit in. But here you can put a lot of things. Later, let's put my things here so that you'll see the space, the entire space. And then there's also the large one. The large one is too big for my frame. I'm just 5'1" in height. So if you are maybe taller or a bit bigger, then the medium one is good for you. So this is the bucket bag. Now let's put my things inside my bag and I'll show you the inside. So my wallet. Okay. By the way, what's this? Okay. This is the certificate of authenticity. That this is a genuine Celine bag. So let me put the wallet. Then my coin purse. My car key. My lipstick. This is my favorite lipstick. It's called the Viva Glam of MAC. If you want this red lipstick. And then my AirPods. Okay, this is from my daughter. She gave it to me on my 55th birthday. Thank you, Danielle. And my eyeglasses. And lastly, my phone. Let me just rearrange. Okay. So, this is how it looks like. Just enough. Sakto lang. So, let me close it. Yan. Okay. Smells so good. So, you can hold this way or crossbody, or as just hold it like that, or maybe this one as well. A while ago I mentioned that I bought another item in Celine, and this is the Celine wallet, flap wallet. I decided to buy this because when you reach a certain amount, there's additional, I believe 5%. So a total of 15% is very much okay. Especially that if you're buying it from duty free. Of course, when you buy it in duty free, it's like 12% discount. So technically, I had a discount of almost 25% from buying in Korean airport. So this is the flap wallet. So it's also Celine. I haven't used it. I'm still happy. Actually not happy, but I'm trying to maximize my old wallet. So look, this is also very nice because it has so many compartments. So you can put your bills here. Then you can put your coins here. There's a coin purse. And you can put your cards here. And the good thing is it's very small. So if you have a small bag, this will definitely fit. So this is the Celine flap wallet. Nice. If you are interested to know the price, the regular price of this in their website is $2,950, but I was able to get it at $2,374, so I save around $575. Roughly 135,000 pesos. That's the price. But in Greenbelt, I checked this the other day. The price of this small bag is 175,000 or $3,125. While the wallet costs $681 or 40,000 in Greenbelt. But I was able to get it at $614, so I saved $66. So basically, buying these two, it's super sulit. I bought these two at $164,000, I believe. So that's my unboxing video. I hope you enjoy watching it. And I hope you can consider subscribing to my channel. Till again, this is QueenV saying be amazing in your 50s. Thanks for watching. Bye!